So number 19 from 3.8, they're asking for dy dx. And you're going to get sick of me saying this, but x is your variable, y is a function. So every y here, you need to treat it as a function, not a variable. The left side, the derivative is easy because x is our variable, so it's 3x squared. On the right side, you should see quotient rule. You're dividing two things. You have that divided by that. So the derivative is low, d high. The derivative of x is easy. That's 1. The derivative of y, that's a function, not a variable. So when I take the derivative, it's going to be dy dx. So that's low d high minus high d low. Derivative x, muy fácil, 1, minus, and derivative y, that is a function. The derivative of the function is dy dx. Uh-oh, I see a lot of algebra happening. Low squared. Whoo! A lot of algebra. Here we go. I don't like that down there. I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus y squared. If I do that, it appears on the left side. Now on the right side, I need to simplify the top. I need to isolate dy dx, but they're stuck in the parentheses. The only way I can set them free is to distribute and do all that. So that's what I'm going to do next. Distribute the x there and there. I'm going to get x plus x dy dx. I will now distribute the y there and there. I'll get minus y dy dx. Now I'm going to be subtracting. Wow, I'm out of room. I got to scoot this over to the left. I am so glad I can do that. That is so nice. And my pen is kind of fat, so let me thin it out. So minus, realize I'm subtracting all of that. So I have to put brackets. I'm subtracting all of that. If you don't do that, you're going to have sign errors. So let me distribute stuff. That x there and there. That'll give me x minus x dy dx. And let me distribute the y there and there. I'm going to get plus y minus y dy dx. Okay, next step. I need to distribute that minus to all of those. Watch this. I'm just going to copy and paste all of this because I can. Don't you wish you could do that? Woo woo. Okay, so I distribute all of that. It becomes minus x plus x dy dx minus y plus y dy dx. And now we let the magic happen. Does anyone see magic? Anyone? Oh, I do. Look, that and that are opposites. They cancel. Any more magic? Oh, I see more magic. You see magic? X minus x. That's magic. Woo woo. So I still have all that. Let me copy and paste that. And then the right side, let's see what we have. I have an x dy dx and another x dy dx. How many of those do I have? I have 2 of them. I have 2 x dy dx's. And then I have minus y and minus y, minus 2y. All right, we're getting somewhere. I will now isolate dy dx. So let me add 2y to both sides. So if I add 2y to both sides, That will get me a plus 2y. And the last step, I want to get rid of this. I divide both sides by 2x. And that should be my answer. Is it right? Is it confirmation? Is that the answer in the back of the book? I'm looking for confirmation. Anybody? Yes, I see a thumbs up. Woo woo.